Would you like Archangel Michael to come help you, or Raphael? Would you like me to say the Lord's Prayer? Talk to me. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us of our trespasses, so we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, for now and forever. Amen. See what? An orb? Would it bother you if I say a prayer in Latin? Lord's Prayer in Latin. Pater noster, qui est in caelis, sanctificete nomen tuum, adveniat regnum tuum, fiat voluntas tua, sicut in caelo et in terra. Panem nostrum quotidianum, da nobis hodie, et dimite nobis debita nostra, secute nos dimitimus debitoribus nostris, et nos inducas in tentationem, sed libera nos a malo. Amen. I just saw something. By your feet, and that was not on my camera. Yeah, I saw like something do like a figure 8 by your boot. Did you see that too?
Yeah, I saw something.
That wasn't on my camera. Go to the light. Go to Jesus. If you want to move on, you don't want to be stuck here anymore. This is not heaven. I don't know if this is purgatory for you or hell. Can you tell us? Go back? Ooh. That was a deep voice. It kind of sounded like Jim. I'm not sure. Can you repeat that? What's your name? I still feel like something's touching my hat. Are you touching me? Are you up there touching me? Where's the boy? I haven't heard the little boy. Are you keeping him here? You can't keep him here. He has to go to the light too. You have no power here. What was that? Oh. If you have something to say it now. If you're evil, go back to where you belong. Go to hell. You can't keep other spirits here. I saw something moving by her feet. It was like doing a figure 8, but it wasn't on my phone. I just saw it with my eyes. Oh, really? Oh, I heard it say get out. Did you say get out? What if we don't get out? What are you going to do about it? What are you going to do? Yeah, something they're doing there. It's all burned up. I got touched in the bathroom. It was tapping on my hat. You want to go in there? I see your K2 is going off over here. Hello? What? Did you send something? Okay, you sent something, right? Too many people? Do you want me to turn off the spirit box? Is there somebody named Matt here? Is there a Matt or a Matthew here? So I'm getting the name Matt. Who's Matt? Come on. Talk to me. Are you Matt? Is that correct? Please confirm. Private. What do you mean private? Who said that? Private what? Okay, we're leaving. Do you have any last parting words? Anything you want to say? I want to know if you're going to leave Deanna alone. Because I think you're sneaking over to her place. Are you out here?